Drones are no longer just toys. They are now powerful tools for travel, content, and fun. But with so many choices, how you pick the right one without wasting money? Some drones look great, but fail in real use. Others surprise you with smooth flight and easy control. We have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so be sure to check them out. Let us get started. Number 5, Best X1 Pro 4K Drone with Camera. This drone feels like a solid choice if you want something simple but still powerful. The video quality looks sharp, and the motion stays smooth during flight. I like how it handles automatic flying modes. It makes things easy, even if you are new. The speed is also fun. It can follow you quickly, which works well for biking or running clips. For people in the United States who love outdoor trips, this kind of feature can be very useful. You also get a foldable design, which makes it easy to carry in a bag. That is great for travel days. 4K video quality, automatic flight modes, fast tracking speed. One small downside is battery life. It feels a bit short if you plan long shoots. Still, for casual use, it works well and gives a smooth experience. Number 4, Best A1 Infinity Bundle 8K 360 Drone. This one feels more advanced and made for people who want something unique. The full 360 view is the biggest highlight. You can capture everything around you in one shot. The goggles add a fun touch. It feels like you are inside the flight. That kind of experience stands out, especially for tech lovers. For creators in the United States, this can help make content that looks different from the usual videos online. 8K video capture, immersive flight view, smart subject tracking. The price is high, and it may feel complex for beginners. But if you want top-level features and creative freedom, it gives a strong experience. Number 3, Best F7GM 6K Photo Drone. This drone feels like a great balance between price and performance. The camera gives clear photos, and the gimbal helps keep shots stable. That makes a big difference when shooting outdoors. I like the long flight time. You can stay in the air longer without stress. That is helpful for travel or event recording. It also comes with smart flight features that guide you. Beginners will find it easier to control. 6K photo support, 3-axis gimbal, long flight time. One thing to note is that it is a bit larger than some others. Still, the value you get for the price makes it a strong option. Number 2, Best Protos FPV Drone RTF Kit. This one feels fun and compact. It fits in your hand, which makes it easy to carry anywhere. I like how simple it is to set up. The first-person view feature gives a real-time flying feel. It is great for learning or just having fun. In the United States, where rules can be strict, the small size helps since it does not require extra steps to fly in many cases. Lightweight design, first-person view flight, easy setup. The video quality is not as high as larger drones, but for beginners or casual use, it offers a very enjoyable experience. Number 1, Best Pick DJI Avata 2 Fly More Combo. This is the top choice for a reason. It feels smooth, powerful, and easy to control once you get used to it. The immersive flying experience really stands out. It almost feels like you are inside the drone. The motion control makes flying simple. You do not need complex skills to get started. That makes it great for both new and experienced users. The video stays stable, even during fast moves. That is important if you want clean footage. 4K stabilized video, motion control system, immersive flight view for users in the United States. It also follows key rules, which makes it a safer pick. It is not the cheapest option, but the performance and experience justify the price. Final verdict. If you want the best overall choice, the DJI Avata 2 stands out with its smooth control, strong build, and immersive flying feel. It offers a complete experience that works for both fun and content creation. For a more budget-friendly option, the Protos FPV drone is a great pick, especially for beginners who want something simple and portable. Each of these drones has its own strengths, so the right choice depends on your needs. Be sure to check the links in the description to see current prices and full details before making your final decision.